Hello primary one, how are you today? Hope all of you are fine and everything is okay. Who can tell me how many months are there in a year? Excellent, 12 months in a year. What are they? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and finally December. Okay, today we're gonna continue chapter 2, which is talking about the numbers and how to write the numbers and letters. But we have two extra concepts. The first one is one more and the second one is one less. But first you have to listen well to this song.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting from 1 to 10.
How to count?
Yes, I know. How to count?
Do you know?
Do you know?
How to count?
How to count? Yes, I know. Yes, I know. How to count? How to count?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9 and 10.
9 and 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, what can you see in this picture? You can see a lot of fish. How many fish here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 fish. How can I write 8 in letters? E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Here I have 8 fish. So how many dots here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. Wow, what can you see in this picture? You can see a lot of teddy bears. Of course, all of you have teddy bears in your rooms. Is it right? So please count with me how many teddy bears here I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 teddy bears. How can I write 9 in letters? N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. How many dots here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 dots. So now let's move to the examples. Count, then put a circle around the biggest set. Count, then put a circle around the biggest set. So to know which is biggest or which is the smallest set, you have first to count. So now count how many apples here I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 apples. And how many trees here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 trees. So which set is biggest? Of course, the set of trees, because 7 is greater than 6. So I will put circle around the biggest set. Number B. How many cookies here I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 cookies. How many burger sandwiches here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 9 cookies and 8 sandwiches. Which is bigger? Excellent, the cookies. So I will put circle on the biggest set. So the cookies is the biggest set. I will put circle around them. Now, who can tell me how many fingers I have in one hand? How many fingers do you have in two hands? Sorry, how many fingers do you have in two hands? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 fingers and 2 hands. How can I write 10 letters? T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Here I have 10 fingers, so I draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dots. Let's move to the next example. Form sets, then join each number with its name. So the first thing I have to do to put the sets. How many zebras here I have? I have only one zebra, so I will put it on one set. And how many zebras here I have? Only one. So I will match this zebra to number 1. And how can I write 1 letters? O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. So I will match 1 to its name. The next one. What can you see here? You can see a lot of beautiful bags. So with the same kind. So I will put them on one set. And now let's count how many bags here I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bags. So I will match them to number 4. How can I write 4 in letters? Who can remind me? Great job. F-R-U-R-4. F-R-U-R-4. So I will match it to its name. And how many teddy bears here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 teddy bears with the same kind. So I will put them on one set. And now let's match them to number 10. And how can I write 10 letters? T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. So I will match number 10 to its name. And how many shoes here I have? I have 1, 2. 2 shoes with the same kind. So I will put them on one set. And I will match these two shoes with number 2. And who can remind me how can I write 2 letters? Great job. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. So I will match number 2 to its name. And how many cars here I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cars with the same kind. So what shall I do? Of course, I will put them on one set. And I will match them to number 5. How can I write 5 in letters? F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. Great job. And you can continue the rest of the page because it's so easy. Now we're gonna take the concept one more and one less. What the meaning of one more? One more means comes just after. One more means comes after. One less means comes before. To be more clear, let's see this example. Write the number that comes just after. Here I need one more. That comes just after, so I need one more. Number 1. What is the number that comes after number 1? Who can tell me which is the number that comes after number 1? I said 1, 2, exactly. So number 2 is the number that comes after number 1. Number 4. What is the number that comes after number 4? We said 4, 5. Great job. So number 5 is the number that comes after number 4. How can I write 5 in letters? F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. Okay, what's the number that comes after number 7? We said 7, 8. Great job. So number 8 is the number that comes after number 7. And how can we write 8 in letters? E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Great job. And what's the number that comes after number 9? We said 9, 10. Great job. So number 10 is the number that comes after number 9. And how can I write 10 in letters? T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Let's move to the next page. Write the number that comes just before. Just before, it means one less. It means one less. Here I have number 5. So what's the number that comes before number 5? Shall I say number 6? Number 6 is the number that comes after number 5. But I need what is the number that comes before number 5. So number 4 is the number that comes before number 5. Because I said 4, 5. So number 4 is the number that comes before number 5. And how can I write foreign letters? F-R-U-R 4. F-R-U-R 4. What is the number that comes before number 3? We said 2, 3. 2, 3. So number 2 is the number that comes before number 3. And how can I write 2 in letters? T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. Number 7. What's the number that comes before number 7? 8. Number 8 is the number that comes after number 7. But I need the number that comes before number 7. I said 6, 7. So number 6 is the number that comes before number 7. And how can I write 6 in letters? S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. What is the number that comes before number 0? Who can remind me? What is the first number in the number line? We said before that number 0 is the first number on the number line. The number 0 is the number that comes before number 1. So 0 is the number that comes before number 1. And this concept is called one less. Is called one less. Here I have a caterpillar and I need to complete the caterpillar in order. One more. To complete it in order, one more. By one more strategy. One more means we complete it in order, just comes after. Okay? Okay. 0. What comes after number 0? 1. What's the number that comes after number 1? Of course, number 2. And what is the number that comes after number 2? Is number 3. And what is the number that comes after number 3? Is number 4. And what is the number that comes after number 4? We said 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What the number that comes after number 4? Excellent. Number 5. And number 5, what is the number that comes after number 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly, it's number 6. After number 6 comes 7. After 7 comes 8. Great job. And after number 8 comes 9. Great job. And after 9 comes 10. So now numbers are completed in order with one more. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now complete in order one less. Complete in order one less. Here I have train, but I need to complete the numbers in order, but strategy one less. One less means comes before. Comes before. So, what is the number that comes before number 10? What is the number that comes before number 10? We said 10. We said 9, 10. So, number 9 is the number that comes before number 10. And what is the number that comes before number 9? We said 8, 9. So number 8 is the number that comes before number 9, and number 7 is the number that comes before 8, and number 6 is the number that comes before 7. 5 is the number that comes before 6. So now, what the number that comes before 5? What's the number that comes before 5? We said 4, 5. Excellent. So number 4. Number 4 is the number that comes before 5. And before 4, what can I said before 4? I said 3, 4. So number 3 is the number that comes before number 4. And number 2 is the number that comes before number 3. And what is the number that comes before number 2? We said 1, 2. So number 1 is the number that comes before number 2, and the first number in the number line is number 0, which comes before number 1. So this concept is one less. One less means comes before. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.